This is going to be a fun one, all right? So you've heard enough. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's step into the chug zone and let's do this, all right? I got these sodas here, and we're going to see how many I can do in 3 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go. This is so good. Man. Let's do 2 at a time. All right. Whew. This is amazing. Okay. 1 minute down, and it's still a whole bunch to go. Got some good room now. Yeah. Ooh. Keep going. Yes. Whew. Yeah. Oh, this is tasty, folks. It tastes like a tropical dream. With the dreamy burgers. 1 minute left. Oh, come on. 45 seconds. Yeah. 30 seconds. All right. The final countdown. Okay. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4. All right, folks, let's separate the ones that are not done to the ones that are done, and let's see how many we got, okay? All right, this is it, folks. 1, well, okay, that's half, all right? So 1, let's put this over here. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one is full. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 and a half. All right. I think I could have went a little bit faster, but I think